Now we're going to practice reading. We're going to read an article and then we're going to match it with points in the blank spaces. It's going to be very easy. Let's try it together. Read the article and match it with the statements below. Taking a trip to space. Can you imagine going into space and being able to float in air? Richard Branson's company is offering short journeys into space, or for anyone who can afford it, for around $200,000. You could go on the trip. The spaceship will be in 2 parts and will be able to hold 2 pilots and 6 passengers. The plan is for 3.5-hour flight space. Then it will launch the shuttle over 100 kilometers high and break off. Then we have the second space. This is not the only private company that wants to offer short trips into space. Then we have the third space. It sounds dangerous, but it's an idea that goes back to Sir Isaac Newton in the 18th century. Rockets are expensive and need a huge amount of fuel. Then we have the fourth space. However, humans might not survive the force needed to send them to the stars. Now let's go back to space number 1. What are we talking about? If you look at the options, we have, first of all, a bigger ship will carry the passengers shuttle into the air. فأول paragraph عنا رح يحكي عن الناس اللي رح يروحوا على الفضاء كنوع من أنواع السياحة والتجربة. In the second space, what are we talking about? Let's look at the options. Oh, it goes with number or point A. After that, passengers can undo their seat belts and enjoy the feeling of zero gravity in the shuttle. This means that people can move around in space بدون أي جاذبية. يعني بيقدروا يطفوا بالفضاء. Let's look at the third space. What do we have here? Oh, it goes with point D. Another possible method of launching people into space is space catapult. Now, catapults, okay, how do we do that? They're going to send people by putting them on a machine that will send them very far by force. يعني زي ما حكينا رح يطلقوهم فجأة وبسرعة رح يوصلوا لأبعد مكان. For the last point, 4, we're going to match it with B. So instead of being driven by rockets, a spaceship could be thrown into space. So yes, this is another method in order to send people into space. يعني بنوديهم بالجو طريقة بسرعة أو سريعة. Well done.